Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this light box. I really love this light box, guys. It is super bright. As you can see, I have some letters there. I have some emojis, a heart. We also have a bunch of other things that you can use. For example, we have some letters here. We have some more emojis there. So it's a bunch of them. We also have some like blank tabs here that you can use the markers that it comes with. So it comes with like 2 markers that you can draw on the blank tabs and put them in there as well. We have some more letters, some more numbers, and then we have some more emojis as well. But I really love this light box, guys. It is super bright. It is absolutely beautiful. It literally lights up my entire room. And on the side, guys, you can actually turn it off or on. And of course, you have to have your cable plugged in. But if you don't want to plug in the cable and you want to make it portable, all you have to do is put in some batteries. So you can actually use AA batteries, but you will need 6 of them to make it portable. But you can use either or, guys. So you can use the cable to plug to a wall outlet or use the AA batteries to make it portable. But yeah, guys, I really love this light box. It is super pretty, very bright, and I would definitely recommend it.